DFY content creation via artificial intelligence. AI writes all your content for you. This AI writes content for you. I want you to remember this day. Because today, technology has taken a major leap forward, kinda like when we landed on the moon, haha. Seriously though, today, a new, artificially intelligent web app has hit the market that writes perfectly readable content for you in any major niche in under 90 seconds. I am talking about real AI that will write any content you'd like in all the hottest niches that will allow you to get more traffic, get more rankings, get more leads, make more profit, and dominate your niche without wasting any time writing a single word yourself. I know it sounds absolutely unbelievable, but you can see this new AI in action here. Once you get your hands on this, you'll have the ability to have perfectly written content created for you at any time, and it'll be written in under 90 seconds. Get more traffic, more sales, and more profit by leveraging the most powerful strategy ever, content marketing. Get more rankings by giving Google exactly what it wants: constant, quality content. Never have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to have content written for you. Never worry about the quality of the content you'll be getting from a writer whose native language is not English. Provide more value to your target audience and convert more visitors into subscribers. And much more. In Create, I simplified the entire process of getting high-quality content written for you into 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into their web-based dashboard. Step 2, tell Create what niche you want your content in and watch the AI work its magic in about 60-90 seconds. Step 3, copy, edit, download, or share your content and that's it. These guys have created the first and best artificially intelligent content creation system to ever hit JVZoo. This is real artificial intelligence combined with the power of content creation. See the real AI demo video here. Sign off. PS Just a quick recap. With Create, you'll get unique, done-for-you content for all your sites in under 90 seconds. You'll never have to write content yourself or pay for content ever again. You'll witness real artificial intelligence for the first time ever on JVZoo. You can practically guarantee that you will not be able to tell if it was human-written or AI written. It'll be truly unique content that will pass a copyscape check every time, guaranteed. Check out the link in the description below the video.